Okay, so welcome everybody to another video tutorial on the DR880, and we got, on this occasion, we're going to be looking at how you find the different sounds of the drums, the percussion, congas, bongos, timbales, timbales, no sé, I don't know in English how you say timbales, maybe the same way, timbales, I don't know. Maracas, we got guiro, we got different percussion sounds, and we got a whole bunch of sounds. We just got to find them. So this video tutorial is for the people in case that they don't know or they're wondering how you can access all the sounds. And like always say, thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching the videos and the comments, thanks for sharing also. And here we go. This is the video tutorial for the sounds. How do you find the different drum sounds on the machine? All you have to do, just this is the original sounds, but right, we got it here on pattern 1. Okay, so that's like the original sounds. If you change the group the beats, most likely it's gonna change because it got a different kit program on the different patterns. Okay. Okay, so that's like a rock fusion and so on, whatever. So depending on the pattern, you got different sounds now. If we want to omit that and we just want to go straight to the sounds, here's how you do it. You press pad. Right here we got pad. So that's the drum 1 means these pads that are right now functioning right now. We press pad again, you're gonna go to drum 2, and that will be the congas and different percussion. Bongos, congas. Like a shaker. Yep, that's the maracas. Okay, it was not this one, it was this one. Oh well. Well, like a dry, and this is like more. We got different, oh, there you go. The chimes and the gong. Okay. So that's percussion 1. You press pad, and drum 3 will be the percussion 3. And the guiro. It's like the triangle. There's we need there's one sound missing here for the timbales. It will be when you hit the side of the timbales. That is called cáscara. There you go, you hit on the side of the timbales with a stick. That's very important sound, and they don't have it here. That's not good. You know, it should have it. It's part of percussion. You know. Yep, it should have the side of the timbales. It should have, but it's not here. Yeah, a whole bunch of sounds, really good, but doesn't have that one, so that's a no-no. Okay, so percussion doesn't change; it stay the same. Okay, the only sound that you could change is the drum sounds. Right now, you could what you call it, edit the sounds. You could pan it for one side or the other. I believe you could add reverb, and I believe you could change the EQ of every individual sound. I believe so. I hadn't done it yet, but I think it's possible. I think it's doable. Now, for the drum sounds, we go here to drum one again, right? Press kit, and here you see that we're using Studio One. So the drum sounds, not the percussion. The percussion is different. The percussion doesn't change, it stays the same. These you could change them. So these sounds you could change them right here, depending on which you choose. Got a little bit of reverb, I believe. Okay, so remember the pads are sensitive, so depending on how hard you hit them, it's gonna change the sound. So you got a whole bunch of sounds here, and if you're gonna edit the kit, remember you gotta save on user. So after 100, you got 100 sounds, different sounds. Okay, let's check hip hop for a second. There you go, the 808. So this should be like a TR-808. Okay. One second. Man, this is loud here. Hold on. Yep, kind of loud. On my headphones. Okay, so I believe you could edit any sound independently. You could raise the pitch, lower the pitch, add reverb, and pan the sounds, I think, or a different kind of EQ that you want. And you have to save it on user, okay? Depending on which kit you select, edit it, and save it on user right here, okay? You put like another name to it, or you could copy and paste it somewhere else, okay? So right here. Now, besides the drum sounds, we got also bass sounds. So let's go to the beginning. And the bass sounds also change as well, okay? So we got up with the cursor, we hit it right here, and then we move to the side, and that's the bass. But when you get to the bass, you have to press enter, okay? Otherwise, it's just gonna stay on the drum sounds. Press enter and hit exit again, and there you go. Okay, so you got a whole bunch of different sounds for bass. You got the notes, so this is like a bass. So this will be like fret number 1, fret number 2, fret number 3, fret number 4, and you got the C, you got the B, B flat, you got A. So these here, this row is for the strings themselves without touching anything. So this is like a reference if you want to tune your bass. So that's an E, it's an A. Okay, got good sustain. That's the D. And the G. You can see right here, it got all the notes. Got the notes of the pad. When you press the pad, it gives you the note of whatever you're supposed to be playing. So this is just the strings, open strings. And right here is when you press the fret. Okay, so you got the C, you got the G, got A, F. Okay, so pretty good. Now the sound changing also, they change. You have to right here press up on the cursor, select another one here, and you gotta go back and press enter, exit, and the sound would change. The compressed bass now, a compressed sound, so it sounds like louder. Okay, let's get another one. You see natural. Go down here to the bass, enter, exit. Hold on a second, wait. There you go, okay. Anyway, let me see another one. Check here. Check dry, let's see what we got. I think natural, we got the acoustic bass or the baby bass on natural. Let me see if I can find it around here. There you go, natural. Okay, so go down, go to the right, and here press enter. Oh, wait. Didn't change. Weird. I thought it would change. Oh, I thought it would have changed. Hold on a second. What's going on here? Okay. Oh, I thought it would change. My bad. Okay. See here if it changes. Yeah, I thought it would change. See here, we got a different sound. Oh, okay, so finger number 2. Yep, it changed. So it's right here. Okay, so you don't really have to go around looking for sound. You got them right here. Okay. There you go. Now we got it. I'll change it. Yeah, I knew it will change. I just didn't know exactly how. I picked mute. Pretty cool. Let me see. Yep. That's a different kind of mute. Slapper. Slap right now. Psh. That's Davey 504. If you haven't seen his channel, you gotta check him out. Very funny guy. He does very interesting videos. And all the time, subscribe to my channel and slap the bass. So slap right now. Psh. Slap like. Or I'll call the police. Anyway. Okay, so there you go, fretless. And so on. Okay, so that's about it. We got different tones here of bass. You got 40 different tones. Got a TV303, pretty cool. Okay. So then you see something here. Oh, okay. Temp. Okay. Let me see something. Hold on. If I go here, oh, only the level, so we can't change like on the bass part. It will be so much easier. Got a level of 80. Okay, so I know that you could edit at least each drum part individually. It could be percussion or drums. You could change the pitch, change the reverb, change the EQ on each sound individually. So that's pretty good. The only thing I didn't like was that it doesn't have the cascada sound for the timbales. But everything else is okay. You know, it's pretty good. So that will be it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Hopefully this video helped. So I'll see you on the next one. God bless.